Hello everyone, welcome to Rath. Today I'll be talking about a beautiful stone, the stone of communication, lapis lazuli. You can see the beautiful royal blue color with golden streaks of pyrite, and at times you'll find white streaks of calcite as well. Lapis lazuli is basically a stone of communication. It helps you to express yourself, speak your truth, and be open in your communication, thus helping in relationships as well. It has other properties as well, where it helps in spiritual growth, protects you from psychic attacks, and gives an overall awareness of your inner self as well as the outer world. So it is a very must have crystal for everyone. It works with two chakras, the throat chakra and the third eye chakra. And the organs related are the ears, nose, eyes. All of these are related with lapis lazuli. So the idea why I'm making this video today is, last 2-3 days I've been not keeping too well, low on energy, and basically I've had headache. And suddenly this afternoon I remembered that I haven't used my lapis lazuli for it. And I rested for some time holding this tumblestone in my palms, in my hands, and my headache has gone. I'm relieved of that pain and that discomfort. Although, as I have suggested earlier also, you do not ignore any medical conditions. I did see the doctor, everything is okay. The only thing I need to rule out is get my eyesight also checked, which I'll get it in a couple of days. But as of now, that pain and discomfort has gone, all because of lapis lazuli. So on a physical level also, it helps with headaches, migraine, and pain, that feverish feeling, pains and aches in the muscle pains. So it does help on those levels as well. Working with the throat chakra, it helps with thyroid problems. People who have stage fear, they get nervous before a presentation, or if they're they have to speak in front of a group, they are not very confident. So if they carry this lapis lazuli in their pocket, this will help them say the right words in the right way at the right time. So this is the best stone for clear communication. Communicating with others as well with yourself, with your internal dialogues as well. It also helps to declutter your mind. Once your mind is decluttered, you will get that clarity for yourself. So that internal communication is also enhanced by lapis lazuli. It is a very good stone used for meditation. Again, it helps you connect with your higher self, gives you psychic abilities, and improves your intuitive abilities as well. So it is very good for meditation. And otherwise also, it always makes you feel protected if you have lapis lazuli with you, because it makes you feel grounded as well, and you know that the right things will come your way. So that kind of protection is there with lapis lazuli. It is used as ornaments. A lot of ladies wear jewelry made of lapis lazuli, but I would suggest just a small tumble stone, which is very economical to buy and carry, will help you in a long way if you just keep it with you. Like I always charge it with Reiki for that specific reason and give it to my clients. It has helped a lot of clients relieve them of their stress levels, because they get clarity in their mind. They're able to deal with situations in a better manner, which leads to that calmness within themselves, and they gain that confidence. So that conflict and all is no more troubling them. so that stress levels are gone, that depression is gone. They're able to sleep better with lapis lazuli. And that's it for today. And yes, this is one of my favorite crystals. Next time I'll come up with a new one very shortly. Thank you so much.